Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add a table in Canva. So in order to do this, first of all log into www.canva.com, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on your dashboard. On your dashboard you will have to simply click on the templates button just right here. Now click on search for templates and search for table. Now select one and this will add this table on your Canva board. Now you can edit this table pretty easily. You can adjust all these fields, modify anything and can easily work on this table. Now if you want to create a table without this template, what you'll have to do is simply cut this out, navigate to Drive. So open Google Drive, click on plus new icon, choose Google Sheets. Now what you'll have to do is just type in anything here. For example, you can also prepare your table in the Google Sheets. So for example, I have named these fields. What I will do is left click and select all these fields. Now I will go to the file option at the top, click on download and select PDF. Now click on the export button at the top and this will download this sheet as a PDF. Now close this out, navigate back to Canva. Now after coming back to Canva, we'll have to click on create a design option at the top. Now select import file option. We'll have to navigate to the file that we downloaded, that is this PDF, and we'll click on open. Now click on view here. So after your PDF file gets imported, you'll have to click here. Now as you can see, we just made this table into Canva. So we'll select this and make it bigger. Now you can edit this table pretty easily in Canva however you want. And these were the two simple ways through which you can add table in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.